Ni arutwo a kirathi kia mbere thukuru-ini wa Munanda mwena wa Gilgil mari kirathi magithoma na tablet iria iratanywo kwambatiria ikiro cia githomo. Akiaria ri cukuru-ini uyu mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya nyumba na ukuria wa matauni Aida Mnano agwete ati thirikari ni gutigirira ati arutwo ni maratherema mathomo-ini mao.
We urge that concerted and collaborative efforts be made to ensure that the continued success of these project.
Oho, Mnano ni oritia aciari hamwe na ikari a itura riu gutigirira ati tablet ici ni iramenyererwo wega nigetha cikare kwa kahinda karia kagiriire.
The local community is encouraged to put in place mechanisms to ensure safety and durability of these devices, and I'm sure the head teacher, Bwana Madenge, that you'll be in the forefront in ensuring that that happens.
Kuringana na Mnano, tafarire no iria irehete ugaruruku macukuru-ini guothe bururi-ini nitumite mabururi mangi gucera Kenya nigetha kugia na umenyo uria tafarire no irateithia arutwo.
This program has placed Kenya as a global leader, pace setter, and an ICT hub. Already, a number of countries have visited Kenya to benchmark the program for their own use. So, Kenya, we are becoming a pace setter out of this digital program.
Arutwo 175 nio maraheirwo tablet nao arimũ eri maraheo laptops. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, Jitogo Wangari wa Njoroge.